Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are camping here. The weather is good. It's cloudy. I think it's a perfect weather for camping. It's only been 2 days since Odette PH left Negros Occidental, and now we can continue our episodes. By the way guys, thank you so much because last time the Unplugged Life series reached more than 50,000 people, and we are very happy and enthusiastic with your support. Thank you. I'm just going to set up the tent. I will get back with you guys later. Hey guys, I'm done setting up our shelter for tonight. By the way guys, we have a new tent. Shout out to our sponsor. This is an expat tent. G and I are going to relax a bit. G is behind the camera. You can see her. We will get back to you guys when we cook dinner. See you later. The sun has already set and it's already 6 p.m. Now I will set up the firewood. We will make a fire to drive away the mosquitoes. There's so many of them. After that, we're gonna cook our dinner. Now I will use this. This is unused wood from our house. This one, I will prepare this for later. We will use our portable grill because we can't set up fire in this grass. Always remember, don't make a fire in a grass area. You can damage the landscape, plus it's dangerous. You can cause a wildfire. We should always be careful, protect the environment, and at the same time, just to be safe. Cook this rice first. This is good for 2. We have someone here who wants to join the camp. Coco is not here because it's only the 2 of us. It's really hard for us to guide Coco. Maybe if Jesse will come, then Coco will come too. Need to wash this. This is fresh from the store. Wash it here. Frozen. The fire is on.
What's our menu for tonight?
We have pork belly and we have ramen with mushroom and vegetables. We have lettuce for this.
But we don't have samjang.
Yeah. Anyone wants to sponsor us? We need new knife. Just contact me. Sorry, I have a creepy smile. Do you know what is the best way to cook pork belly? You don't need any ingredients. Just salt. It will be very flavorful.
We always say that whenever we go to a new campsite that it's the best.
Whenever we go to every campsite, we always say it's the best. Because it is. While we were setting up, we overheard some people and they tell their friends, look at their setup. I think they're camping vloggers and it felt really good. We don't need to put some oil because it already has natural oil. We just met a fellow camper there and he's our neighbor. He asked us if we've been camping for a long time. It's nice to meet fellow campers. If you saw us one day camping, don't hesitate to say hi. This is why you don't need oil if you want to cook pork belly. By the way, our neighbor, it's his first time camping. And if you're watching this video and you haven't tried camping, you should try it. It's life-changing. Try it. Everything is delicious if you're camping. You need to put the mushroom first. Boil it for about 2 minutes. Don't forget to pray before you eat. Let's dig in. Hey guys, before I go to sleep, I just want to enjoy the fire. I turn off the lights and enjoy the moment. There's a lot of things that you can enjoy here. The silhouette, the shadows of the mountains. All you can see here, guys, are natural. Even though you can hear some voices. The moon is shining above me. I just want to tell you some insights that I have. Reflections. This is one of the best camping that I've ever had in my life. The warmth of the fire, it gives me different feelings. I just want to invite you, just want to inspire you to do this kind of thing. Some people might say it's weird. Some people will say it's dangerous, it's risky. But you know what, guys? There is something that I really like about camping. You can enjoy yourself, enjoy the fire, enjoy a lot of things around you. If I will have kids someday, I will have this story that I will tell them, that I want to give them inspiration somehow. I just want to tell the story that I really enjoy this time of my life. So you guys are very lucky to watch this video I don't need to tell the story again. You already watched this. You are here with me, here with us. Yeah, and you can experience it too. Even though you can't feel what I feel here, but you can see what I see here. So I hope it gives you inspiration to do something out of your comfort zone. Some people might say camping is an escape, but for me it's not. Camping is looking forward. It can help you a lot. It can give you another fuel to keep moving forward. And for me, it's like a hobby. At the same time, it's like a rest. It's like my inner peace. It gives me more positive energy. So after this, I will kill the fire and then we'll transfer this hammock and I will sleep there. And this tent, it has an airbed inside and it's more cozy, but G will use it. It's the same thing for G. So I hope you like our videos. Whenever we upload, we can see your comments and it gives us another fuel, another inspiration to do more. So we are done for tonight. I will put out the fire. This will be the hammock that I will be sleeping in, and that is the tent for G. And that's it for tonight, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. I want to sleep more, but I need to wake up. This is one of the best sleep I've ever had. Let's go, guys. Let's cook breakfast.
Good morning, guys. I just woke up from a great sleep. Look at the view that we have behind me. It has been 3 days since the Typhoon Odette left Negros Occidental. I can't help but think about all the damages it has done to my fellow countrymen. And I know that this year hasn't been all rainbows and butterflies, and it's been very hard for most of us. Our hearts break whenever we think about that. Last night I was thinking that is it right to actually be filming here while some people have gone through the worst nightmare of their lives the past few days. But then I also realized that life must go on. Your pain is valid. If you guys want to help out together with us, the Unplug Life team, I'm gonna put it here on the screen so you guys would know where to send your donations. We could just lend a hand to those people who have been affected. If there's anything we can do to help you guys, please let us know in the comments or send us a message here on Facebook or contact us via our email. I know it's not gonna be easy for a lot of us, but there's a word in our dialect that we use to encourage other people whenever tough times hit us. The word is padayon. Always remember that God is in control, especially if we're going through a lot of pain. And no words or amount of consolation can actually comfort us. Take your time. Search for that inner strength that you have inside. If there's one thing that we need, despite everything that's happening in our world today, that's to have peace in our hearts, in our minds. Everything will be alright.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Don't skip it, okay? Try this.
It's a lot of people coming in now. Alright, so as promised, I'm gonna take you guys here. Let's open the tent. I have an inflatable bed, a charger, my bag's over there, and Mowgli's over here and my pillow. Guys, this lamp is very useful. You charge it for 12 hours and you're all good for the night. So yeah, that's my humble abode.
This tea is sponsored by our mom.
Cheers!
Now it's time for us to go home. It was fun camping with you. Now we are all set. We're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.